Okay, this is WIKISPEED, September 21st, 2023. Uh, and, okay, go for it, Mike.
Okay, it is Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Stand up for this week isn't going to take very long. I did post stand up for last week, but I didn't make progress on anything else. I did see my great niece about the knitting machine. We went to a birthday party at the same place, and she brought her machine. We talked about it a little bit, and it turns out she hasn't watched the videos that I made, so she didn't know how to take apart the machine and install the new gear and stuff like that. So um, we didn't have we had number 2 Phillips, and we had a cordless drill and stuff that was available from the place where the birthday party was. But we didn't have any number 1 Phillips, and I didn't want to mess up the heads on the screws. So she took away the to do of getting the 3D printed gear installed and stuff. Um, but that's not really any progress. Next week, I've still got a whole bunch of stuff on there for Sunfounder, for Ross, for tank level, and a little bit of stuff on the knitting machine. And I will contact Joe regarding admin access to the website because Chris said that he didn't have it. And blocks. There's still stuff to do, even though it's not summer. So I'm not sure when I'm going to have actual time to get back into the WIKISPEED stuff. I'm sure that we were working on stuff last year at this time, but it doesn't seem to be happening this year. Back you.
Okay, so Lawrence Salter, Gabriel, out of British Columbia, Canada. And past week I didn't really do anything. I did go to the fall fair here and saw a very low-tech tank level made with a pulley and a string and a float. They were selling for 90 at 75 on Amazon. I sent you a link. Uh, I still think it's worth doing because ours is different and has advantages, and it also moves the project ahead. And that's pretty much it. I'm just trying to clean out my work areas after, because I had stored all my stuff in the living room when I had my floor done, my kitchen floor done. So, and I want to put those protectors on the tables and chairs to protect the new floor. So,
Which kind of chair legs do you have? Square or round?
I have both.
Hmm.
I have some chrome chairs, and they are missing their caps, which is a problem. And I have wooden ones that have kind of oblong wooden, that have kind of, yeah. So I've got, this splits in half, but this fits along the wooden chair legs. But this is a 3M thing, and I stuck it on, and one of them fell off right away. So I would have thought with 3M it would be good glue. Wait a minute.
The ones that we've had.
It's not 3M. It's not 3M. No, it's just some company. It's Shepherd, actually.
So the ones we've had the best luck with for the wooden chairs are actually the ones you screw in the bottom. So it's like a rubber thing. It looks like a donut. And then you drill in the middle into the bottom of your chair, or if your chair already has those holes, and then you just put a little screw in, and the thing is like half an inch thick. It's like gray, and it has like the screw is countersunk, so you'd have to You'd have to wear basically the whole thing away before the screw came in contact with the
Right.
floor. Um, but we haven't been able to find them for a while. So if you
Oh,
find them on Amazon or somewhere, let us know
right. Yeah.
because we're on the lookout. We need to replace ours.
I have these two for the. I was hoping to use these on the table, but these are also, I think, glue.
Okay. Yeah,
And
the
they're
glue ones, we have them migrate, so they kind of slide around
right.
on the bottom of the chair, especially the chairs you use
Right.
all the
Yeah.
time.
No, no, the
And
nail seems to be the solution.
yeah,
I was actually thinking of trying to modify these ones to so you could use a screw. So yeah, no, that's a problem.
anyway,
Yeah, okay.
sorry to interrupt.
Research. No, no, that's a block for me because I've been not putting anything back on the floor because I I put my gym shoes on, or rather, I put one of my pairs of running shoes that has black rubber soles, and now I'm like the janitor in the gym at high school. The floor is all scuffed up. Who came in here with outdoor black soled shoes? Yeah. So, okay. So then that I guess is yeah. That's it for me for blocks and everything. So back to you for retro.
Okay, I made, I did post stand up, so I guess that's one thing I did. And I only said I was going to do two things, so I guess that's 5 out of 10. One for stand up is 6. Team, I maybe 6. I don't know. We're not getting a lot of stuff done, but we're still showing up. And project improvement, I think last week's reconnecting with the WIKISPEED mailing list probably still makes sense. Back to you.
Okay. Yeah. So I already posted mine. It was five for me and 8 for the team. And a similar process improvement. And I am going to go ahead and end the recording.
Okay.
But yeah, we could have a little crosstalk.